question. Segnale raffigurato prescrive di procedere a velocità particolarmente moderata. Vero o falso?
Falso.
Falso.
Vai falso.
Vero. Procedere.
This is a segnale dare precedenza
a
destra.
Vero.
So whenever there is a segnale dare precedenza, it doesn't matter that both we are giving both side or just one side. We always reduce the speed. Okay. So in this question is saying that this signal indicators that we move forward. Velocità particolarmente moderata means particularly we must reduce our speed. Why? Because we are giving a precedenza for those people who are coming from the right hand side. Question number 2. This question comes from chapter number 5. Question number 2. Lo specchio retrovisore centrale di un autovicolo ha una posizione antiriflesso. There is a tip of this antiriflesso.
Yeah. Zero.
Who tell me what is the tip?
Zero. 2 questions are false, so it's none.
Very good. I'm sending you this tip. Tutto vero. And 2 questions are false with none. Very good, Shivana. I send the tip inside your group. Whenever you see the word antiriflesso in any question, all questions are vero. Okay? 2 questions are false with none. So in this question there is no none, so that's why the question is vero. We are reading question number 3. Le macchine agricole a rotte o a cingoli possono circolare su strade per il trasporto di prodotti agricoli per conto delle aziende agricole o forestali. Vero o falso? Abdulaziz. Question is vero. In this question is saying that the agriculture machines with the chain, also with the tires, it can be used to transport the agriculture product from agriculture factories, also from forest. Vero. Question number 4. This position of a policeman. Yes, it represents a luce gialla. But there is a tip of this position. Who tell me what is the tip?
Rocho and
Gialla.
Jalla.
In Crocio
And
and
one is
Gialla
wrong
is
with
vero.
Trom.
One question is falso with tram. So in this question, there is no incrocio, there is no Gialla, so that's why the question is falso.
Falso.
Okay.
Okay.
Question number 5. Sulle strade pubbliche sono consentite le gare di velocità anche se non autorizzate dalle ore 23 alle ore 6. Vero o falso?
Falso.
Remember, we cannot participate in a race competition at a road without any permission. In this question is saying that at a public road, it's allowed we can participate in a race competition. Non autorizzate means without any permission. Okay, falso. We cannot participate in a race competition, okay, at a public road. 6. Veicolo S. This is your S vehicle, okay? Veicolo S muovendosi in retromarcia per mettersi in circolazione deve fare attenzione gli eventuali pedoni in transito dietro di esso e dar loro la precedenza.
Falso.
Vero o falso?
Vero. Loro la precedenza.
Vero.
Vero.
In this question is saying that when the S vehicle is moving retromarcia means by using the back gear.
Mattia.
Immettersi nella circolazione means this vehicle want to enter in a circulation. Deve fare attenzione. It must be youthful attention. Maybe any Abdulaziz, don't make noise, my friend. Deve fare attenzione gli eventuali pedoni in transito dietro di esso. Maybe someone is walking from the back side of the vehicle. So he's saying that the vehicle must give precedenza to that pedestrian.
Yes.
Vero? Question number 7. Per non costituire pericolo o intralcio per la circolazione è necessario osservare non solo le norme sulla circolazione, ma anche le cautele dotate di buon senso.
Vero.
Vero o falso?
Vero.
Vero. In this question, he's saying that whenever we are driving a vehicle, we cannot create problems or obstacles for the other people. It's necessary that we always see or observe the not only the rules and regulations that are giving at the road, we also use our sense. Buon senso means a good sense. We also use the brain while driving the vehicle. Vero. Question number 8. Gli addetti servizi di polizia stradale vengono riconosciuti dai guantoni e dalle strisce rifringente. Vero o falso?
Falso.
Abdulaziz. This question is falso. In this question, he is saying that we can recognize a policeman with the gloves, also the strisce that normally we can see at the uniform of different peoples that are working in a factories. So he is saying that we can recognize a policeman with the gloves, also with the strisce. Falso. Why falso? Because normally in a summer season, nobody wear the gloves. So it means in a summer season we cannot recognize them. Falso,
Policeman.
okay? In question number 9, there is a tip, mudrare. What is the tip?
Vero.
What is Muderare tutto vero. Just one question is falso with
Nessun.
nessuno. So in this question, I think there is no nessuno, so that's why the question is vero. Okay? In question number 10, there is a tip uniona. Tutto falso in all.
Falso. Tutto falso.
Question number 11. Nell'eseguire la manovra di sorpasso occorre regolare la velocità in relazione a quella del veicolo da sorpassare.
Vero. Vero.
In this question, he is saying that whenever we want to overtake any vehicle, it's very important for us to regulate the speed with the vehicle that we want to overtake. Vero. We always regulate the speed with that vehicle, okay? Question number 12. Su una strada a 3 corsie a doppio senso di circolazione, in figura si deve impegnare quella di centrale solo per il sorpasso.
Vero. Vero.
Vero. Normally we never see this type of carreggiata in Italia, but whenever we see, so normally this corsia is reserved for those who are going, and this corsia is reserved for those who are coming from the opposite side. And normally the middle lane remain empty all the time. Whenever anyone want to overtake any vehicle, so he can use this lane and then again come back in the right lane. Understand? And this lane, the middle lane, it can use both the sides. Means the people that are coming from the opposite side, they also use it, and the people that are going, they can also use this lane for overtaking. Basta. For a normal circulation, we cannot engage that lane. Understand or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question. Question number 13. Le corsie possono essere vietate a taluni tipi di veicoli.
Vero.
Vero o falso? Vero. In this question he is saying that the corsia means the lanes, track, and it can be means is prohibited for some type of vehicles. Vero. For example, the corsie that are at autostrada, they are forbidden or prohibited for agriculture vehicles. Also for a lot of vehicles that are not allowed to enter in autostrada. So these lanes are not allowed for a lot of vehicles. Okay. Question number 14. Carico deve essere sistemato sugli autoveicoli in modo da non sporgere dalla parte posteriore per più di 3 decimi dalla lunghezza del veicolo. Vero o falso?
Vero.
Vero?
Falso.
Vero o falso?
13
Vero.
lunghezza del
Vero,
veicolo.
vero. We can spread the carico, the load that we are transporting at the back side of the vehicle, not more than 3/10. Okay? This is the limit. And it's fixed.
And sir, here is a più dai 13.
Non sporgere
Ok,
dalla
ok.
parte posteriore per più di 3 decimi. It means not more than 3/10.
Ok.
Okay? So, first of all, see the vehicles. Which vehicle
ECGL.
cross the junction at first? E, C and L. And now we can see the question. Nell'incrocio rappresentato in figura, il vicolo C deve dare la precedenza al vicolo I. Vero o falso?
Sì, dare la precedenza I, vero?
Shavana,
Vero.
you tell me.
Vero. Vero. I was muted. I didn't know. Vero.
Vero, yes.
Vero.
It's vero. Why? Because in a junction, we always give way to those vehicles that are coming from the right hand side. So,
Right.
C give way to E and L give way to C. Why?
Yes.
Because C is coming from its right hand side. So in a junction, we always give way to those vehicles that are coming from right hand side. But in a roundabout, we give way to those vehicles that are coming from the left hand side. Okay? It's very important to understand. Question number 16. Evitato sorpassare ciclisti o pedoni che occupano la carreggiata.
Sorpassare ciclisti, vero?
Falso.
Falso,
We
è
can
falso.
overtake a bicycle. We can overtake a pedestrian that are moving at the road, but with attention. Okay, there is no any problem. Question number 17. Durante la circolazione gli autocarri ed i rimorchi con massa massima pieno carico superiore a 3,5 tonnellate devono essere segnalati con strisce posteriori o laterali retroriflettenti. Vero o falso?
Vero.
Vero.
Posteriori e laterali, vero.
Superiore 3,5.
Vero.
Vero.
Remember, all the strisce and all the pannello are installed at the back side, also at the side of the vehicles when the weight of the vehicle is more than 3.5 ton. Okay, if the weight is less than 3.5 ton, then there is no any striscia. Any pannello is installed at the back side of the vehicle. Okay, there is a tape with this pannello. Who tell me?
Distanza.
With this pannello, the stanza, tutto vero.
Vero. One question
Okay.
is false with distanza with
There is a
Ah,
distance.
yes, very good, Shavana, very good. One question is false with the stanza di sicurezza. Very, very good. So here is the stanza, question is zero. Question number 19. In vicinanza o in corrispondenza degli incroci non è consentito usare fari anabolianti.
falso.
Falso.
Falso. Why falso?
Anabolianti are about
We always use anabolianti light. The daytime, also the night time, every time. Okay. Question number 20. Who tell me where we can see this type of signal?
Attraversamento ciclisti.
Attraversamento ciclabile regolato con semaforo.
Con semaforo, yes.
Ok? Semaforo in figura con luce rossa accesa impone arresto alla bicicletta.
Vero.
Vero. When the red light is on, it's compulsory, it's necessary for the bicycle to stop.
Yes. Come on. Basta. Mamma mia.
Question number 21. Frenatore raffigurato indica di svoltare destra o a sinistra.
Vero.
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 Question number 22. La sosta è vietata sui dossi.
Vero.
5 things are always forbidden at a dosso. Who tell me which are these things?
Fermata, sosta, bagger, U-turn,
Yes.
and
Sosta, fermata, overtake, U-turn, bagger, all these things are forbidden always at a dosso, always at a curve, always at in a junction or at a passaggio livello. All these things are always forbidden.
yes.
23. Segnale raffigurato preavvisa.
Hello, sir. Sorry. That's la sosta o la fermata. Sorry. Number 22.
So what is the problem here?
Number 22.
Yes.
La sosta. Ok, la sosta. Però la fermata ancora. La fermata è consento, vero?
Both are not allowed at a dosso. Okay?
Ok.
Question
Anche a passaggio a livello.
also at a passaggio livello. Very good.
Ok.
Question number 20.
Anche in curva, vero?
Also at a curve.
Ok, thank you.
Also near at a attraversamento pedonale. Okay? For example, someone is crossing the road, so we cannot overtake at a attraversamento pedonale, we cannot stop, we cannot park, we cannot take a U-turn, we cannot use a barrier near attraversamento pedonale. Ok? Segnale raffigurato preavvisa la presenza di un segnale di stop.
Falso. Falso.
Also, there is no any segnale di stop here. Okay, where we can see this signal? At a pista ciclabile or where?
Yes, ciclabile.
Who tell me where we can see this signal?
Attraversamento of ciclabile.
Yes, we can see this signal at attraversamento ciclabile. Ok? Segnale raffigurato indica ai ciclisti di voltare a sinistra.
Falso.
Falso. Basically, this signal is installed at attraversamento ciclabile. Okay, so whenever any person is crossing the road with the bicycle, so we must give him dare precedenza. Presenza del segnale raffigurato, un autocarro può sorpassare un autobus.
Vero. Esatto, cari.
Now we can
No.
overtake. Because now this signal is finished. Before
Yes.
this signal, we cannot overtake autobus, anyone. We cannot overtake. Okay, but
No,
now
we
they
can.
put a line. It means this signal is finished. Now we can overtake. Understand
Yes.
or no? We
Yes.
can overtake. Obbligatorio regolare la velocità nei tratti di strada coperti di ghiaccio.
Vero. Vero.
There, we always regulate the speed whenever we are driving at a road that is covered with ice. Limiti massimi di velocità sulle autostrade di 90 km/h per motocicli.
Falso.
Falso. What is the speed at autostrada?
130
130.
kilometers.
130 km. With the remorque, what is the speed?
80.
Huh?
80.
Yes.
80.
80. Yes. There is a tip with this white line. Who tell me what is the tip?
Accanto, fiancato, and
Accanto, fianco, affiancata, and non consente.
non
Are vero
consente.
with this white line. So here is a accanto. Question is vero. Okay, what is the meaning of this signal? Who tell me?
Both are but in separate.
The meaning of this signal is that there is a bicycle path, also there is a pedestrian path, but they are separate with this white
Yes,
line.
okay.
Okay, there is no mix. Okay,
Yes.
they can move separately.
Yes.
La spazio di frenatura aumenta se la strada bagnata.
Vero.
Vero.
There is a tip of this bagnata.
Vero. One question is falso with aqua.
Very good. Bagnata tutto vero in all book. One question is false with aqua. Question number 30. Our time is finished. La strada rappresentata è composta da 3 corsie per ogni senso di marcia.
Vero.
How many carreggiate included in this picture?
One Karijata.
There's only one carreggiata, okay? And this is a doppio senso. Each side have 3 lanes.
Yes.
Okay.
Vero.
Okay. The 3 corsie per ogni senso di marcia, vero. How many mistakes?
Zero.
Zero.
0.
No.
Let's see. Very good.
Language.